going on, guys? Back with another video. So I've had the car now for 3 weeks, I believe, 3 weeks. There has been a couple issues though. Basically, the car's been dying. I think it's an issue with the battery. I think they gave me a battery that just can't hold its charge. While driving, I have no issues, so I'm sure the alternator is fine. And my multifunctional display has not been working. If you're not sure what that is, it's just the display up there. Up in there, it's kind of important. It tells you like your climate controls, the date, the time, a bunch of stuff that's useful for you, like your boost. Other than that, I've been loving it. Winter is come to an end, and I'm planning to not drive this car anymore in the winter. I was just doing it for the time being, just because I took the other one off of insurance. So that being said, time to take these wheels off. Those are mint, except this one. Where is it? Look, I can't even see it. There's a little something there. There was a little mark. Maybe it was like right here. I don't know, but it's very minimal. You can't even tell. It's my first time seeing the wheels, and I think they're pretty awesome. I know they're OEM wheels, but for what they are, I think they're great. Yokohama, if I'm butchering that, probably am. Those are the tires, and they are 245, 35, 18, no, 19. Yeah, these are 19. Pretty low profile. Lots of grip. So they'll probably feel great once we put them on. But let's start cleaning. Well, it's for sure not perfect. Like, it's not a perfect cleaning. But I think for what I have right now, it's not bad. There's still some dirt, you know. But I mean, for right now, it's gonna look good. I have to purchase some more product and then give it a real good cleaning. Not gonna bother cleaning these. I'll clean these either if I decide to sell them or if I end up using this car for some reason in the winter again. But I should be finishing this one and then using this one in the winter, which is kind of funny. I'm building a car to use in the winter, but you know. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen. So we'll start taking these off. This is overkill. Yep. Do I care? No. There we go. Well, they didn't give me very nice looking lugs. But definitely gonna have to order some. Those are disgusting. This is my first time looking at the rear brembos on the 2017 to 2020 STIs. And first of all, I love the color. I think the color is amazing. I've heard bad things about them. If you do race the car, apparently they turn brown and they change color, which sucks, but whatever. I mean, it did it also with the the gold brembos. They were turned brown, and whatever. But other than the color, It is a lot larger, I believe, than the brembos that came on the, I guess, 02 to 07 STI. That's the ones I'm familiar with. I did a brembo swap on this one, and actually, let me grab a brembo. So that's the. Yeah, just by looking at this already. Now this is the opposite side, but you can see the difference. It's pretty big. So these are definitely a nice upgrade. Also, I was hoping the previous owner would have been nice enough to leave us with some coils, but I knew it. It was just normal stock suspension. But that is fine. I do have something coming in the mail for this. But due to everything going on right now, I don't know when it's going to happen. And look at this. This is a shame. This car is a 2018 STI, and look at the rust. What a shame. That just shows you what Canada does to our cars. But not anymore. Not this one. Not going to be in the winter no more. Let's wash this. Since I'm here, I might as well give this a cleaning. Now, I did use the impact to put these on. However, I do have a torque wrench, and I'm going to use that to make sure they're all torqued down equally and double check them and make sure everything is safe. There's a lot of people that do just slam this on there and and go full send on it. It's not recommended. You could warp your rotor by doing that, and it's just not safe. You're applying uneven pressure throughout the wheel, and when you do it, you want to do a star. So you don't do even. You don't want to go around. You want to do a star so it's even. But yeah, and these, look at that. Some nasty lugs. They'll definitely get swapped out. But that Brembo though, oof. Got the wheels on. Hopefully you can see that. They look great. Give the Brembos a nice clean look. I did run out of cleaner, so definitely have to pick up some more. And definitely going to replace those lugs. But I just love the look of those brakes. Jeez, man. And like, it's funny too, because when you take the wheel off, you see them, they look way bigger compared to like right now. Like it's weird how it works, but I noticed the same thing with my red ones on my other car. And I was gonna give the car a wash, but honestly, it feels like it's gonna rain. And I really want to wash it just to find out it, you know, I have to clean it again. Definitely gonna have to give the wheels another cleaning because I'm not happy with that. But I did run out of cleaner, and I need to get a better brush to get in there and something a little longer. But they look great. I'm gonna stop for right now. Tomorrow, if it's nice, I'll give it a cleaning. If it's not nice, I'll just edit the video and just upload it. But I'm hoping it's gonna be nice weather. So we'll see. In the meantime, we'll take it for a drive. Hear that Subi rumble. We'll see how it goes. But off the bat,